Apoc. A little aggressive, are we? Just a taste? Was that what that was? Your attempts seem to be going really good. You seem to be really successful with the ladies so far. Where's she at now? Oh, she's right here. She just hangs out right next to me. Wherever I go, she goes. Apoc for the most part too, but he's got his own mind. He's gonna come over here and start trouble again. They spent all day yesterday, literally no more than 2 feet apart in the barn. This is how far they've gotten. She's still hissing. But I mean, to her defense, Apoc seems to really like zero in on her behind area. I think she knows what's up. She's hip to your game, Apoc. Yeah, take it out on me.